First of all, let me tell you that this is not a clickbait. You literally need just three apps to start earning money online, and that's what I'm going to explain in this video. So, let me show you the exact workflow and the exact process which is going to earn you up to $300 a month. But before jumping into the process, let me tell you that we are going to make money by selling AI presentations to businesses or students. Now, the process is pretty simple, and the first app required in our workflow is going to be Claude. Well, the role of Claude is to research on your behalf rather than spending, hours or hundreds of hours to get required information by generic methods. I want you to consider Claude, and Claude will help you to get all the important material, information, and technical specifications required to build a presentation. Now, let's assume that you are building a presentation on the future of health AI in healthcare. To Claude, you just need to ask, hey, Claude, as an expert researcher, I want you to create a detailed outline for a presentation on the future of AI in healthcare. And within minutes, Claude will give you a well-structured outline with sources. Also, you can ask Claude to simplify the content to make it more professional. In this way, you are done with research part. Now, the next step is to, convert or turn research into a professional presentation. For that, the second app which you need to consider or which you need to download on your device is going to be Gamma. So, in this step, you need to paste the outline which you got from Claude. Now, Gamma will help, or Gamma will create a polished presentation with heading, visuals, layout, and speaker notes as well. Thus, without spending hundreds of hours designing slides, you got a presentation ready within just few minutes. Now, the full final and the third app required in our workflow is going to be Fiverr. So what Fiverr is going to do is that it will connect you with the people who are looking for presentations or who want presentations to be designed for their businesses. You need to create a gig on Fiverr with a title like, I will create a professional AI powered PowerPoint presentations. After that, what you need to do is that add few of your best sample presentations as portfolio pieces, and that's all workflow, and that's the entire workflow. So whenever someone asks you for a presentation, so what you need to do is just research it with Claude, build the presentation with Gamma, and deliver it to clients using Fiverr. By the way, now here comes the question like, how much can I earn? Now, as a beginner, you can expect 10 to $30 per presentation if it is having 10 slides. Now, if you are getting just, let's assume 10 clients a month, so you will be ending up with $300 a month. So that's how this entire workflow works. And if you have any doubts about it, you can comment and I would love to answer it. And that's it for today. See you soon in the next video with new tech and new way to earn money online. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.